Welcome to Consumer Picks. The best Kosas Brow Pop Pencil is probably one of the most sought-after brow products on the market right now, promising to deliver perfectly sculpted and naturally defined brows with minimal effort, making it a must-have for anyone looking to elevate their makeup game and achieve that coveted effortless yet polished look that lasts all day long. Number 5. Maybelline Total Temptation Eyebrow Pencil. Achieve perfectly defined eyebrows with ease. This pencil glides on smoothly for a natural look. Get beautifully sculpted brows that look like your own. The fine tip allows for precise application. Enjoy smudge-proof and fade-resistant color all day long. Your brows will stay flawless from morning to night. This user-friendly pencil makes brow shaping simple for everyone. Even beginners can create stunning results. Find your ideal match for a seamless blend. It enhances your natural beauty with a touch of color. What we like? This is a great option for beginners. If you're looking for an everyday brow pencil that won't break the bank, this is it. It's easy to use and provides a natural finish. What people say? The brow pencil has a super fine tip that makes it easy to draw individual brow hairs. It's a dual-ended pencil with a spoolie on one end for blending. The formula is long-wearing and doesn't smudge easily. Number 4. Honest Beauty 2-in-1 Extreme Length Mascara plus Lash Primer. Meet the 2-in-1 Extreme Length Mascara and Lash Primer from Honest Beauty. It's your secret weapon for gorgeous lashes. Start with the primer to prep and condition your lashes. Then, apply the mascara for incredible length and volume. Experience extreme length like never before. This formula is designed to make your lashes appear longer and fuller. We believe in beauty that's kind. That's why it's cruelty-free and safe for even the most sensitive eyes. Achieve a deep, black finish that enhances your natural beauty. Get ready for lashes that wow. Enjoy the benefits of clean ingredients without compromising on performance. It's beauty you can feel good about. What we like? This product offers a unique dual-ended design for ultimate versatility. If you want to achieve microblading-like results at home, this is the tool for you. It's perfect for creating natural, hair-like strokes that last all day. What people say? The brow pencil has a super fine tip that allows for precise hair-like strokes. It's a dual-ended pencil with a spoolie on the other end for blending. The formula is long-wearing and doesn't smudge easily. Number 3. iMethod Microblading Eyebrow Pen, Dark Brown. Achieve perfectly natural, hair-like eyebrows with our innovative microblading pen. Its dual-ended design offers ultimate precision for a flawless look. One end features a unique four-forked tip for realistic strokes, while the other boasts a precise brush tip for seamless blending. Get the best of both worlds for your brows. Enjoy beautifully defined eyebrows that last from morning to night. This formula is designed for smudge-proof, all-day wear, so you can feel confident. Experience the magic of a 2-in-1 tool that simplifies your beauty routine. It's the perfect solution for creating fuller, more defined eyebrows with ease. Designed specifically for women, this eyebrow pencil helps you create the natural, beautiful brows you've always wanted. It's your secret weapon for stunning eyes. The rich dark brown shade is perfect for complementing a variety of hair colors. It provides a natural-looking finish that enhances your features beautifully. What we like? Achieve flawless brows that withstand anything with this waterproof option. If you need your brows to stay put through sweat or rain, this is your go-to. It's ideal for active individuals or those in humid climates. What people say? The pencil has a fine tip that allows for precise application, making it easy to fill in sparse areas and create natural-looking strokes. It's smudge-proof and long-wearing, staying in place throughout the day without needing touch-ups. The formula is buildable, allowing you to achieve different levels of intensity from a subtle enhancement to a bolder look. Number 2. 2-pack Waterproof Eyebrow Pencil. Discover the perfect pair of eyebrow pencils designed for a flawless look. This set ensures your brows are always on point. Don't worry about smudging or fading. These pencils are waterproof, providing a long-lasting definition that stays put all day. Achieve professional results with the dual-ended design. One end offers precise application, while the other includes a handy brush. Easily shape and fill your eyebrows for a natural or dramatic effect. The fine tip allows for detailed work and seamless blending. Elevate your makeup routine with this professional brow enhancing kit. It's everything you need for beautifully sculpted eyebrows. The rich dark brown shade, number 1, is perfect for a natural yet defined appearance. It complements a variety of hair colors. What we like. This comprehensive kit provides everything you need for perfect brows. If you're a makeup enthusiast who loves options and a polished look, this is for you. It offers a complete solution for various brow needs. What people say. The pencil has a fine tip that allows for precise application, making it easy to create hair-like strokes. It's a dual-ended pencil with a spoolie brush on one end, which is great for blending and grooming the brows. The formula is long-wearing and smudge-proof, ensuring your brows stay in place throughout the day. Number 1. LAVONE Waterproof Eyebrow and Eyeliner Makeup Kit. Achieve perfectly shaped eyebrows and beautifully defined eyes with our all-in-one makeup kit. It includes everything you need for a flawless look. Our formula is waterproof and designed to last all day, ensuring your makeup stays put through any activity. No more smudging or fading. The innovative eyebrow stamp and pencil make creating symmetrical brows incredibly easy. Get salon-quality results in seconds. This kit features a versatile brow pencil and pomade for various looks, plus a precise eyeliner for added definition. It's your go-to for any occasion. We've included a dual-ended brush to help you blend and perfect your brows with ease. Achieve a natural or bold finish effortlessly. The rich dark brown shade is perfect for enhancing natural beauty and creating striking looks. It complements a wide range of hair colors. What we like. Get salon-quality brows effortlessly with the included stamp. If you desire quick, perfectly shaped brows every time, this kit is a game changer. It's perfect for those who want a foolproof way to achieve symmetrical and defined eyebrows. What people say. The pencil has a fine tip that allows for precise application, making it easy to create hair-like strokes. It's a dual-ended pencil with a spoolie brush on one end, which is great for blending and grooming the brows. The formula is long-wearing and doesn't smudge easily, ensuring your brows stay in place all day. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.